In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename workflow in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main account screen where you can access your tools and settings. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main navigation menu is located, and it's where you'll find the section you need for managing workflows. From that left side menu, click on Automation. This area is where Gohighlevel stores the tools used to create actions, sequences, and automated processes. After you click Automation, move to the top menu and select Workflows. That will take you to the page where all of your existing workflows are listed. Now look through the list and find the workflow you want to rename. If you have a lot of workflows, take a moment to carefully identify the correct one before making any changes. This helps avoid updating the wrong workflow, especially if several of them have similar names. Once you've found the workflow, click on the three-dot menu next to it. This opens a list of available actions for that specific workflow. From the drop-down menu, choose Rename Workflow. This will open the rename field so you can edit the existing title. At this point, delete the current workflow name that's already in the text box. Then type in the new name you want to use. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. A good workflow name can save time when you're managing multiple automations, especially if you return to them later or share access with a team. After entering the new name, click Save. Once you do that, the updated workflow name should appear in your workflow list. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a workflow in Gohighlevel. It's a quick change, but it can make your account much easier to organize and navigate. Keeping workflow names accurate and consistent is a simple way to improve clarity, especially as your automation library grows. If you're updating several workflows, it's a good idea to use a naming style that stays consistent across your account. That way, your workflows are easier to identify at a glance. Thanks for watching, and that's how to rename a workflow in Gohighlevel.